Have a blog? Don't do this to your email's sake. If you send out emails a lot, and if you write to a lot of friends and family, then you may be aware of the power of your email signature. A lot of businesspersons use their email signature in order to show their contact information, which can save them the effort of having to provide all of it in their email, and which can also save them the effort of having to sign every single email. Some business owners also use their email signature to post information about their offerings, or to advertise big discounts or sales that their customers might want to hear about or be updated on. Even writers need an email signature in order to post their favorite quotes, or even their favorite passages from their own works. An email signature acts as an identifier, and if used well, it can be a great way for you to post information about yourself and get a lot of people to visit your blog. However, you can also overestimate the power of this email signature, and if you do not make your email signature carefully and with your audience in mind, then no one will visit your blog. If you are interested in promoting your blog through a great email signature, then here are a few tips that you may want to take into account when knowing what not to do. Be considerate of people who have to work with slow internet connections. Avoid placing multimedia files in your email signature. Some email software will allow you to place photos and videos in your email signature. If you are working with people who have fast internet connections, these files can load properly and quickly. But if you are working with people who are still using dial-up internet, then you may put their computers in a whole lot of trouble. Save them this trouble by keeping your email signature to a text-only format. Don't overload on the text, either. You may be tempted to put in paragraphs and paragraphs of text, with smileys and other emoticons that you think will make your signature look cute. The thing is, such a signature stops being cute when someone is forced to read through it. Think of how tired your eyes would be if you were made to read through a sea of words. Now, transfer that to an email signature, and think of what your email reader would think if you had to post information on your blog using 1,000 words. Don't just hyperlink, put your blog address down. Some blog owners will often put the words "click here" and hyperlink it to the blog. This may not show up when email readers select a text-only option when reading their emails, and clicking on a hyperlink while the browser is not open can tax on a computer's resources. Keep your blog address readable. Avoid putting colors in your text, the simpler the better. You don't have to overload on the text formatting in order to make your email signature nice to look at and appealing. Stay with the staid and simple black, and avoid having to change colors or have words that need to be colored in or formatted. Again, if you have email readers who have the text-only option on, all your colors and formats will be gone. Stay with 3 lines of text, and avoid going for more than this. Think of the succinct compactness of a dog tag: dog's name on one line, owner's name on the next, and then contact information on the last line.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.